What will happen in a drag race between a BMW M240i and a Volkswagen Golf R? Oh, and a Ferrari SF90. Well, I'm going to find out by racing them all over a standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson, and you're watching Car Wow. Now, this should seem like a foregone conclusion. We have the fastest supercar available today. Next to me is a BMW M240i. Next to me, the other side, is a Volkswagen Golf R with some extra bits and a slightly raised bonnet. It seems like a waste of everyone's time. Let's find out a bit more about these cars, because I smell a rat. Is that Tom in the Volkswagen Golf?
Yes, it is.
Tell me about your car, Tom, because normally you've got like 300 horsepower, those things have. I don't think yours is standard, is it?
Not very much. It's got a full 2.5 litre RS3 engine in it, and running gear, and a full frame turbo.
RS3 engine, what? It's got like 400 horsepower? I've got like 1,000.
1,034. Built by me, tuned by MRC Tuning.
Okay, so that must mean the BMW is not standard either. We've also got Tom in that car as well. You're omnipresent, Tom.
So this is my latest project car, fully built B58, full frame turbo, built engine, built gearbox, and it makes 1,000 horsepower, so it should be a good race.
1,000 horsepower, 1,030 odd horsepower.
But your lot are a lot newer and probably a lot faster than me.
No, you're supposed to big yourself up, not put yourself down, unless you're trying to play the underdog, which you might be. Let's find out first, though, how these cars compare on sound. That's 8,000 RPM up there, like that. That's better than the Ferrari. Let's have a listen to yours, Tom. What the f happened then?
That's what we call the push to pass button, mate. Hopefully that works today.
Is that just more boost?
Yeah, it's an anti-lag button more. So, I mean, obviously I more take this on the drag strip when you've got a prep track to get it off the line, but probably won't use that today because it'll spin its wheels.
Tom, can I hear your engine again? T'other Tom, let's hear yours. Sorry, Tom. I think Tom's is slightly better, isn't it? Now, if you like drag races a bit more condensed, no less of this chat, you should check out our new channel, Car Wow Drags, okay? Just scan the QR code on screen now, click on the pop-out banner, follow the link in the description. Go subscribe there, and you'll see some new content. You'll enjoy it. All right? Do you know what? Let's compare the car stats. If you want to pause the video now, you can compare them side by side. Let's race. No chance. Oh, a bit sideways. Whoa! What? No! What the? Whoa! They're all coming at me! Freaking bugger! Didn't have the best launch there, went a bit squirrely. Got beaten for sure by the BMW. Golf was closing in fast. This could go quicker though. Tom Wrigley, I saw a lot of smoke coming off your tyres on the launch when you were like way behind me, and then you weren't way behind me, you were in front of me.
A bit too much boost off the line, so I won't boost it as high this time. It's all right when it gets going, it gets moving, doesn't it?
Don't want to on your chips or anything, but this car didn't have its best launch. Your tyres have got the little white marks on them from where like the gases have passed out of them. Tom Parker, I think you probably had a bad launch there, mate. I was left and he was still sat on the line, but at the finish line you were right up next to me.
I reckon like another 5 metres and I'd have come past.
Well, let's go again anyway, because I reckon I can do a better launch. You reckon you can? Let's go again. That Golf is going. Oh, the Golf's coming now. Is the BMW going to catch me? Ah! Beat you that time, Tom Wrigley. Not so smug now, are we?
It's quite hard getting the launch dialed in here, but good fun. I'm happy to be hanging it with a Ferrari SF90, I'll be honest.
You weren't as quick as last time. I'm ignoring Tom Parker over there. He doesn't exist anymore. He's not here. We don't need to see you. Wicked launch, Tom. You were on the money.
My tyres are a bit warm now, so I might have got a bit of grip.
Let's do another race. This is going to be a decider between you two boys, I think. I'm just here for a reference point. Let's go again. Maybe I'll win it. Who knows?
3, 2,
Blimey, I'm getting absolutely creamed here. Come on! Jesus Christ. I quite like being in second place after all, but no, I came last there, well and truly last. So you were in second place, Tom Parker. Got a great launch, car just buggered off.
I'm just glad to be here. Little guy from Sheffield, building 1,000 horsepower cars.
Tom Wrigley, it all came together for you there. The launch was on time, the car hooked up.
Yeah, that was pretty awesome, to be fair.
He might have loved it, I didn't love it so much. Got absolutely humiliated. Here in my Ferrari. Well, not my Ferrari, Steve Kira's Ferrari, but people don't need to know that. So then, what exactly happened? Well, the BMW won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 9.1 seconds. The Volkswagen took 9.5 seconds, and the Ferrari came last with a time of 9.7 seconds. Now we have a rolling race. We can do it from 50 miles an hour. I want your car in just like a normal drive mode. So for me, I've got it in sport mode, automatic for the gearbox, not manual. Where did you guys just go? You just disappeared for a moment. What happened?
Quickly go to the toilet and let it cool down a little bit.
Tom Parker?
I went to let my oil temp cool down and put some fuel in.
Were you going on very low fuel level?
No, so I've got a full tank, but I don't know what the gauge is saying when it's got ethanol in it. It's on the 85, and anything under half a tank, it kind of splutters because it can't suck it into engine quick enough.
And are you running E85 as well, Tom Wrigley?
Yeah, always on ethanol for this sort of power.
Wow. Okay, let's do this rolling race, see what happens. Now, if you'd like to see a great deal on one of these cars through CarWow, click on the pop-out button up there or scan the QR code on the screen now. 3, 2, 1, go. Bye-bye, tune cars. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Oh, double no. I thought my hybridness was going to teach them a lesson, but no. Tom Wrigley, your car really shot off. Did you use anti-lag or anything?
No, mate, that was literally the most comfort it could be, really. Massive delay initially. I don't know what happened. I thought it went into limbo, but it didn't.
And Tom Parker, you were behind for a while and then you came past. Were you just in the whole heap of turbo lag?
I think mine geared up too early as well. It went down a gear and then it decided it wanted to boost, and we just said bye-bye to this Ferrari next to me.
Okay, let's run down again. We're going to put it in its sportiest setting and manual mode for the gearbox, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, hybrid power. Oh, come on! Been to the quarter mile at least. Nope. Oh, we've got the Golf, but the Golf is coming. It's not going to catch me. Okay, Tom Parker, that wasn't great for you, was it?
I was on rolling launch for too long and then it bogged.
Oh dear, Tom Wrigley.
Just gapped you, really, didn't I then, mate?
Do you want another go, Tom Parker?
Of course.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh yeah. It's closer this time. Here comes the Golf. Oh, Another win.
You got big good on your face, Tom Wrigley, yeah.
Pretty much perfect, to be fair, that then for me.
Tom Parker, I could certainly hear your anti-lag. And some of your gear changes, I think you could have shifted a little bit earlier on 2 of them.
A little bit, but all I've got to say is, what's the retail on one of those?
More than you can afford, pal. Ferrari.
Last challenge is the brake test. The Ferrari has to win this. Have you upgraded your brakes on that, Tom Wrigley?
Far from it, mate. I've actually downgraded them. If you look at the rears, they're probably comparable to a bicycle.
The brakes on the VW look better. They look like Audi performance brakes or something.
Carbon ceramics front and rears.
Okay, so you should lose this. You've been winning everything else. Come on, Tom Parker. Let's humiliate him. Now we're going to have a brake test from 100 miles an hour. If you'd rather watch another drag race, just click on the pop-out banner up there. I'll follow the link in the description below. It's a really cool drag race. Ah, beat him! I don't know if I have. I've got a horrible feeling I've lost this. At this point in time, you have won, Tom Wrigley. And I think you came second, Tom Parker.
That'll do for me.
But we don't know if you're both going to be disqualified, and we're going to look at that in the action replay. I can't tell now. We have a shot from the rear, and we'll see if you braked early. Maybe I did. Maybe I cheated, and I still lost. We're going to find out now. Well, the Volkswagen did brake early, but the BMW and Ferrari were on the mark, which means the BMW won the brake test fair and square. I might have beaten the Golf if Tom Parker hadn't cheated. Well, there you go. A huge thank you to you, Tom Wrigley, for bringing your mad car down. A huge thank you to you, Tom Parker, for bringing your mad car down. Really enjoyed racing you. Didn't mind losing.
Thank you very much for having us, Matt. I really appreciate it.
Loved it. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you very much. Now, if you want to compare these cars' quarter-mile times to everything else we've ever drag raced, just click on the CarWow logo to check out the CarWow drag race leaderboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.